Hello guys, welcome to A to Z. Today we'll be seeing how to run JavaScript programs in VS Code editor. So first of all, we will be installing the Node.js. Then we'll install the Visual Studio Code. And finally, we'll run the JavaScript program in the Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we will go to our browser and install the Node.js. We'll type Node.js and enter. Click the first link and click get node.js. Scroll below, click on the Windows installer. If you are using Windows, if you are using a separate operating system, change the operating system from here. And once the setup file has been downloaded, click on this icon, double click on the setup file or installation file, click next, accept the terms, next, leave the path as it is, next, custom setup, leave as it is, next. Select this one for automatic installation of the necessary tools. Next, install. And it will ask for permissions for installing the Node.js. And the installation is successful. Click finish. And from the keyboard, press any key twice. And it will start the download and installation of the necessary packages by Windows PowerShell. Give permission to it. Click yes. And it has started to download and install the necessary packages to run JavaScript. We can see it is downloading here. Minimize it. To verify it has been successfully installed or not, we will go to our command prompt, type command prompt from the search bar, select it and type node space -v and press enter. And we can see that the version 24.18.0 has been installed in our PC. Minimize it, and now we will install the VS Code. Again, go to the browser, new Windows, type VS Code, press enter, select the first link, and from this site, select the Windows, since we are using Windows operating system, and it will start the downloader for the VS Code setup. You can see the setup file here, it is downloading. So once it is downloaded, click on the folder icon and double click on the setup for the VS Code. Accept the terms and agreements. Next. Leave the path as it is. Next. Next. I want a desktop icon, so I will check this one. Next. And install. And this will start the installation for the VS Code. It may take a few seconds to minutes based on the internet connection. And it has been installed. Click finish. And this may open the VS Code automatically. And it is opening. So now we will run a JavaScript program. To do that, we will go to the Explorer, open folder. I'm going to the downloads. Then I'm creating a new folder and giving a name to it as a JavaScript. Press enter, select the folder, save it, and this will connect that folder with the VS Code editor to write your codes and projects. And now we will click on this plus icon and create a file. We will name it project.js and press enter. This will create a file for the JavaScript, and now we will write a simple code to test it. We will write console dot log first bracket quotation mark learning a to Z and JavaScript, and now we have to save it on the file. Then go to the terminal, new terminal, and we will write node and then the file name of the code project.js, which is the file name, and press enter. And this will run the simple program above, and we can see the text learning A to Z JavaScript. So this is how you can run JavaScript programs inside the VS Code editor. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.